Hello viewers, today I am going to show you how to connect the JBL Clip 2 wireless Bluetooth speaker to mobile device using Bluetooth pairing mode, and I am going to show you how to factory reset the JBL Clip 2 Bluetooth speaker. Alright, now to connect the JBL Clip 2, I am turning on here. Now pressing this Bluetooth button. Now turning on the mobile. In this Bluetooth search mode, let's wait for JBL Clip 2. You can see here JBL Clip 2 is coming. I'm just clicking that. Now it is asking for the permission to pair. I'm saying OK here. So it is connected. You can see battery percent is showing, 80% is there. Alright, now I'm playing the song. Alright, now I am going to show you how to reset to factory settings. Now speaker is turned on and it is connected to the mobile device. Now to reset, I am going to press this call attend disconnect button and plus button at a time, so that you can see here light will go off. You should press this for 3 seconds exactly at once. 1, 2, 3. You can see the turn off sound has come. So the speaker has been gone to factory settings. Now if I turn on, it will go to automatically pairing mode. You can see here. You can see here it will go to pairing mode here. Alright, now if you press this, it is asking for pairing. Now it is again connected. So that's it for the video. Hope you like the video. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit that notification bell icon. And if you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like this video. Thanks for watching again. Bye.